G'day guys, welcome back to another Maintenance Monday. This week we're talking scan tools. Now I have in my hand here the Foxwell OBDII reader. Now there's a lot of different cheaper scan tools on the market, but the Foxwell is one of the best affordable scan tools I've used. Now for me personally, one of the biggest sellers with this scan tool is not only is it really easy to use and made really well, it's all quite good quality, but it works on unusual cars. Now some of the cheaper units, they have a very short list of cars they work on, limited to Toyotas, Nissans, Fords, your common stuff, but the Foxwell here works on all the weird stuff, which for me and a lot of you hobbyists out there is a godsend. So this A-bath behind me, it talks to that no problem. I can scan codes, clear codes, it even has data logging. Now, as you can see, the Foxwell is very quick to communicate with the vehicle, meaning I don't have to sit here for 10 minutes. I also have the ability to clear and read codes, helping in diagnosis situations. I feel like one of these would be really handy for Sambo out in the bush, so I think I'll give this to him for that purpose. On top of those functions, this also has data reading, so I can look in real time at the inputs and outputs of various sensors and solenoid on the vehicle, making it extremely versatile. Having the ability to read data in real time is really useful for diagnosing issues. For example, if you've got a code for an O2 sensor, with this you can actually monitor the inputs and outputs and determine whether or not this is a failed catalytic converter or a sensor issue. Now, thankfully, my A-bath here isn't showing me anything of note, which is fantastic. However, if you want to pick one of these up for yourself and scan your own car, head to sparesbox.com.au.